In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again, click on biometrics and tap on face recognition at the top. Now you can enter your current login method. Select continue. Keep your face in frame, follow all of those instructions from your screen and wait for 100% mark. Now you can manage all of those options however you wish to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!